Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapte, and today I'm gonna show you my everyday makeup routine for summer. So yeah, let's start. So before putting makeup, sunscreen is must for me to protect my skin from UVA rays. For that, I'm using this one from Ayuga, their natural Kumkumadi radiance sunscreen. It has SPF 50 and PA triple plus protection. This Kumkumadi sunscreen protects the skin from UV rays while giving glowing radiant skin, and it has ingredients like saffron, lotus extract, which can give clear, soft, supple skin. It has organic sunscreen filters, and the sunscreen has very lightweight texture. It has non-greasy formulation. It absorbs easily into the skin without feeling greasy or sticky. It doesn't leave any white cast, and it can suit all skin types. And yeah, I really like this sunscreen because it feels really good under makeup. Also, you can use this on its own. It is perfect for summer. It also has more natural ingredients like molethi, sandalwood to cool the skin, to soothe the skin. So yeah, I really hope this sunscreen works for you. And you can use my code SHAMAPTI20 to get additional 20% off on Ayuga products on their official website. Their products are also available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. And Ayuga is PETA approved cruelty free brand. And next thing is skin tint or BB cream, and these are my favorites. So for today I'm gonna pick this Pixi skin tint. This is very lightweight. I don't use much because I don't want the heaviness on my skin. Sheer coverage is fine with me. I don't want too much coverage, and I also use this as under eye brightener. It works fine for me, and this skin tint is very lightweight, very hydrating, which I really love. I like this fresh look. And next I am gonna use a setting powder, and this is the best setting powder I ever used. This is from Rimmel. This is very good. I don't use this too much. Again, I press it very gently. If the weather is not that hot and humid, I skip this step, but these days is so hot, so yeah, I need this in my makeup routine. Next I'm gonna set my brows with this eyebrow gel. I don't do much with my brows. I just set them because I have noticed I scratch my eyebrows too much and it gets messy. And then I'm using this skin colored eyeliner to tightline my eyes. It just makes my eyes look bigger. I think it works better than white eyeliner. I bought this long time back and still using it. It also highlights my inner eye corners. And next step is mascara. This is such a simple step, but it makes a big difference, and this one from e.l.f. has been working really well for me. It gives really good volume. Alright, next is lip liner. For that I'm using this one from Essence. This is very affordable, yet it works really well. I used to skip lip liner, but it makes a big difference, so now I use this. And then I'm using lip tint because it stays for a long time, and for summer I prefer lip tints over lipsticks most of the times. And the last step is blush, and this one from Dandelion. I know this is from Benefit. The shade is Dandelion. This is such a pretty shade, and I slowly build it. I don't want to go too much. This is a very beautiful light baby pink color. I also use this as eyeshadow, and honestly for summer I like the colors like pink, orange for my face. I think makes my my face more youthful. So yeah, here you have it, my makeup routine, and that's all. Sometimes I just use sunscreen, tinted BB cream, then lipstick. But yeah, sometimes I want to do a lot, but it's so hot, it's very difficult to keep all those things on my face, to be very honest. But yeah, it feels quite light, the things I've used on my skin in this video. So yeah, see you very soon then. Bye bye.